Imagine a New England summer escape where your daily commute involves a short boat ride and your closest neighbors are a flock of seagulls and a few remarkably well-fed koi. Welcome to Rogers Island, a 7.5-acre private jewel tucked within Connecticut's storied Thimble Island archipelago. Originally an austere 19th-century granite quarry, this rugged stone outcropping was transformed in 1902 by railroad baron and yachtsman Captain John J. Phelps into a breathtaking residential compound. Today, it stands as a triumphant blend of century-old Tudor architecture and sublime outdoor living. While the estate is anchored by an 8,700 square foot, three-story Tudor mansion boasting striking historic facades, ocean-facing bedrooms, and delightfully modernized interiors, the true masterpiece of Rogers Island lies beyond its stately wooden doors. Here, the interior architecture politely bows to the majesty of the grounds. Stepping outside feels like wandering through a private floating botanical garden. The island is ensconced in exquisitely mature landscaping, where meandering stone walkways weave together a lush tapestry of formal gardens and covered patios. For those who harbor a green thumb, a dedicated greenhouse awaits. The lifestyle on Rogers Island is unabashedly resort-like, catering equally to the active adventurer and the avid lounger. An afternoon here might begin with a match on your private tennis court, followed by a few practice strokes on the putting green. As the summer sun peaks, the waterfront pool and spa, framed by elegant stone terracing, offer front-row seats to cinematic 360-degree views of Long Island Sound. The architectural footprint extends thoughtfully across the island to accommodate this idyllic outdoor-centric lifestyle. A charming pool house, an airy gazebo perched dramatically on the rocks directly above the surf. When it's time to entertain, a beautiful 4-bedroom waterside guest cottage ensures friends can share in the magic, while 2-bedroom staff quarters keep the estate running smoother than a freshly waxed hull. Rogers Island is more than just a beautifully preserved historic landmark. It is a masterclass in coastal landscape architecture. It offers an unparalleled private sanctuary where meticulously curated gardens, historic stone, and the rhythmic lap of the sea create the ultimate maritime oasis.